So the next thing we want to do here is create this table. And the table has 3 columns and 2 rows. In the first row, we have the headings. In the second row, we have some sample text and also an unordered list. So we'll go ahead and create that now. We'll create this table underneath our last. So we'll start with the table tag. Create a table row. Now create a table column. Inside this table, create a nested table. Now create another table row. This row will contain our headings. And also just note that each heading is in its own column. So here we have each column. And each column, the first 2 columns have a width of 268 pixels. The third one has 290. We've attached a font attribute, and we've also made the text bold. And the remaining columns are almost identical. The only thing that's different is the actual heading. So we have About Us, Our Vision, and Services. Now we'll need to create the second row, which contains all this text. So we'll create the first column inside this row, and then the second. And now the third column, which contains the list, the unordered list. And so that's it. Once we have those columns inserted, we can refresh the page, and we can see that everything is as it should be. The only thing that remains now is the footer.